How to download and install Ring Camera app. Let's get started. Launch a Play Store or App Store. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now in the search box type in the app name Ring and then search for it. With that app will appear. Now you'll need to click on it. You're gonna get the option of get or install. You'll need to click on that option. In iOS device, your Face ID might be enabled. Once you complete that process, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Ring Camera app lets users monitor and control their Ring doorbells, cameras, and alarm systems for their phone. It offers features like live video streaming, motion alerts, two-way talk, and even history. Users can customize motion zones, enable snapshot capture, and access 24/7 video recording with a subscription. Once completion of its download process, launch it. Now provide your credentials and use it. And that's it. This way you can easily download and install Ring Camera app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.